I just ended up on my arse and I was walking down. Trying out a new route across, I don't know what common this is, so I'll put it back down below, but it's just a mud infested horror. It's really gross. Soaking wet feet. Nope. I didn't say that term properly, did I? Following a cross-country route to get to Wisley and then see if I can join the London to Brighton route. It's brought me across here. I don't think I recognise this. Is this recent? Is this a fire or what? Most of the trails are soggy messes and I'll avoid them for another couple of months, but I'm heading in the right direction anyway. Not sure if I'm supposed to go across that. Well, I've ridden better trails, but there you go. At least I'm on the right route. Pretty sure this is the Wisley Junction there. This is where I rode with Graham last year. So that's the works on the A3 M25 at Wisley behind me, and this is some old airfield, I think. Trails that are just absolutely saturated, unrideable. Had to push through lots of mud, glistening mud on my shoes. Right, I'm on the red climb that, as in red being tough, that Graham and I managed to do twice due to a navigation error last year. So I should be very careful at the top to make sure. Fucking hell. I'm afraid that is a bit too wet and slippery for me on my skinny tyred gravel bike with very little grip on the Gravel Kings, so I shall get off and walk down. Just ended up on my arse and I was walking down. This wet chalk is very slippery. Oh, slippery. We're on the back of the Surrey Hills at the moment, and pretty sure that river behind me used to be a trail that we would ride down, or maybe this is the trail but they've diverted the water down there, I don't know. Either way, there's a lot of water about today. Stuck in the mud again. Well, Winterfold Woods, and a lot of climbing actually. Yes, we shall see if I can make it to Brighton or not. Woo! Just past Cranley, and it's raining again. Some blue sky over there, so I'm going to keep going. They've been pruning this section of the Downs Link, which is great, but the trucks or tractors or whatever they've used have totally chewed up the trail, which is bloody rubbish basically. Well, we've had sun, cloud and rain twice. A little bit breezy and a little bit cloudy at the moment, but I'll take that. This is at Christ's Hospital, which is, I don't know, 2/3 of the way there. So there we go. South Downs behind me. I think that's the radio station that we, or aerials or whatever they are that we go past. It's on the crest of the hill there. But I'm not doing that today. I'm doing the bridleway into Shoreham. Shoreham, of course, is known for being the town that smells of fish and chips and disappointment. Might reach the South Downs. Hiya. An actual shadow, that's nice. So that's Beading Hill that we normally go up, or is it Fulking Hill? We normally claim Fulking Hill, but unfortunately that's not my plan today. I'm going into Shoreham, which is the flat route. There's the estuary, the Shoreham Heron, and a very nice bike path actually, just outside Shoreham. Almost there, about a kilometre to go. I was going to say that's advisory only, isn't it? Yeah. So I made it to Brighton, 108k, 109k, and that was pretty tough, but enjoyable. 7 hours cycling. Would have been quicker if it wasn't for the mud. So another London to Brighton off-road ticked off the list. 110k, pretty tough because of the mud, but it's all good training for the tracker that's coming up in a month's time.